Hello everybody, Raphael, that's birthday. I said I'd take her a bit of shopping. Only going into Lichfield. She's up there with her lad, you'll see her in a minute. She don't want anything. I said, well, you're getting something. It's always best to pick in it. Yeah, and then I said we'll go for something to eat. And I asked her where she wants to go, and she just wants to go to Wetherspoons. So we're going to go to Wetherspoons after. So we can go somewhere else if she wanted, but she says no. She wants to go to Wetherspoons. Got the lad with us. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Nice bit of shopping. Get her something, whatever she wants. And then go have a bite to eat. That's it really. Won't vlog it all, but we'll vlog some of it, I suppose. She's up there, I don't know if you can see her. She's up there, she's gone around the corner. Yeah. Yeah, so, yeah, so I have to do a bit of shopping or something then, whatever she wants. We're in Wetherspoons. We've been out shopping with for Nat. Didn't get much to do with that. We've got nothing. She's got one jumper, that's all she got, bless her.
Don't need anything.
She don't need anything, she says. So I says, well, when she wants something then she can have it, she don't got to ask it yet. I'm in Wetherspoons, she wanted to come to Wetherspoons. So I've had, when that's had a Tennessee burger, I don't think she'll like it, that's what I had last one at a time, a couple of times before when I come. It was okay, but it might be better now because it's quiet. The lads had a ham and mushroom pizza, what that had with some chips. And I've had a 5-cheese Billy. 5-cheese Billy? 5-cheese Billy. 5-bean chilli. With some rice and some tortilla chips. And that, and the lads had a chocolate fudge cake for afters. We're just on the lemonades. The lads on the beer. It's a little bit dark in there, we're in the booth. Out the way. There she is, birthday girl. Got nothing in you, Bab? Got nothing, did you?
I don't need anything.
She's got clothes and everything, so she didn't want to buy any new clothes and she didn't want to get it yet, Bab. So I said, oh, just wait. Wait and see. Anyway, I'll see when the food comes. Food's come. I wish I'd have ordered something else, to be honest with you. Mine doesn't look very nice, does it? Let me show you. A little bit of epoxy rice there, look. Tortilla chips. Just out of the bag. And a little bit of chilli, look. 5-bean chilli. There it is. I haven't tried it yet. There's that Tennessee burger. She's already been eating the chips. There's the lad's pizza. I was supposed to got some chips as well, but I forgot.
It's not a couple of more. It's just not a few more.
Yeah.
They're
Yeah, they just out of the bag in there. The rice doesn't look nice, and the 5-cheese Billy doesn't look nice either. That's it, look, you can see.
I might need to try it.
That's all hard, look.
That's microwave.
That's microwave, you definitely can tell straight
And that's
away.
microwave. You can tell by it sitting in the pot.
Definitely
Doesn't look
microwave.
very nice, that does.
Let's try that. Mush.
Mush. Yeah. Looks like it.
Oh, that's hot.
It is hot.
It's over hot.
Oh.
So it's microwave. It's over hot. Yeah, it's over hot. Oh.
Yeah, when we came here, it's okay.
I mean, that pizza still looks nice, doesn't it? I can get you some more chips in a minute, right, if you want some. Get that, and I'll get you some chips. You've got a serviette there, yeah. What a shame. Mine's a shame, anyway. What's your burger like? Because you've had a bit of your burger. You having the whiskey sauce? Dry. I said that, didn't I? Mine was last time.
I just fancy one though.
show them. Let's have a look. No, just turn it round and show them. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I knew we should have went to George Hotel. I knew it. Yeah. Up the top. Should have went to George Hotel and been at the proper meal. I had a funny feeling it wouldn't be very good today. I just had a feeling.
Never mind, just thought that counts back.
That's what I mean. It's hit and miss, isn't it? Wetherspoons. It's hit and miss. Always is. It's very weird. Mm. 100% packet ice, look, you can tell. It's in clumps, look. Anyway, I'm going to go and eat some.
That's nasty, that is.
No, it's had a bit of taste, royal.
It just made me shudder.
It's baby meal, look.
That's bad, that is.
I know chilli doesn't look the best, but that's...
That chili tastes disgusting. Made me shudder. It tastes like vinegar.
Vinegary chilli.
Vinegar chili.
Wouldn't mind a bit of red wine vinegar or something, would you? But wouldn't mind a bit of red wine vinegar or something, but... No. What we're going to have to eat. This is a snack for me, this. Isn't it? Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Have you tried your crisps yet?
Yeah, they're just packets stuff.
Aldi.
Yeah, a lot of cheap stuff. You definitely won't be having that again, that's for sure. That is for sure. That is for sure.
Has it supposed to have 5 beans in it? I can see baked beans, kidney beans.
It's got the beans in, but there's... I mean, if you look at the pot, that's it there. With a little handle.
That's what my chips came in last time, like that.
And it's not full to the top, it's just full, like halfway, if you get me.
Wasn't it?
Well, never mind, eh? You live and learn, don't you? Last time that fish and chips had was delicious, and that pizza. I mean, Blake's ate all his pizza. Pudding!
That's better. I should remember what it is to start off with.
What you had? Chocolate.
Chocolate fudge cake.
Hot chocolate fudge cake.
Yeah.
And then I've had
The same.
hot chocolate fudge cake, and I've had nothing. Oh,
That's got stale cake.
I got what? Stale cake.
What's going on today?
That's got stale cake. Yeah. That stuff I had was, I ate it all, but it was, well, it was an handful to eat, that's all there was. Yeah, well, really disappointed. That's getting like a 3 for me. But that, whether it's a 3's worth it, I don't know. What do you think of your Tennessee burger, Bab?
Hang on. It was nice, but
Dry.
yeah, I knew it was going to be dry because you said, didn't you?
I said to you before, didn't I? It was going to be dry. So what would
I
you give?
just fancied a burger.
Should have just had a normal cheeseburger. Probably didn't taste it better. Oh well, never mind. Disappointing one, ain't it? Oh, it was just 38 quid altogether. That's with the puddings and the drinks. So, but mine was like, I think it was 9 quid or something. That's nowhere near 9 quid, that is it? Not in a million years. No, million years. I think it was £9. I'm going to check actually.
It normally is, isn't it?
5 bean chilli. No, £8 without an alcoholic. £9.47 with. I had it without. With a lemonade, so £8. Nowhere near. Nowhere near. Never mind, eh? Live and learn. Sometimes you get really good ones, don't you? Wetherspoons, sometimes you get rubbish ones, and that to me was a rubbish one. It was like a baby's meal. Well, that looks nice and get your palate moving.
It's not get your palate moving.
Well, after that stuff you just ate.
Oh. Coming on with the cookery.
Ooh, posh. Yeah. So I don't know what I'm going to have for tea now, because that ain't going to film me. That ain't going to last me the night, that. Is it? I might have to get myself a treat pizza or something. Wouldn't I? Never mind. Yeah, that food was terrible. I've just been to Iceland to get myself a pizza. There's no way that going to fill me up. And I'm not cooking. Time's ticking on now, so... But what a shame. What a shame birthday with the food. Never mind, eh? Sometimes you win them at Wetherspoons, sometimes you don't. Yeah, so and that's birthday, so spend a bit of time together anyway. We've been out for the day with the lads, so that's okay. Been doing a few things. I didn't vlog much because we was in and out the shops with the music. But as we say, live and learn. So anyway, going now, nearly home. Till next time, well, take away tomorrow. Don't know what I'm doing yet, I'll do something. Till then, bit of a short one I think this today. We don't have that bean chilli thing at Wetherspoons if you go for one. Complete waste of time. See you later, bye bye.